It's your girl Chanty, and I'm back again with another video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello and welcome back again. So I recently moved into my apartment. I've not really done much, and I'm fixing my curtains today. So I decided, why not take you guys along with me, sit, relax, and enjoy my curtains installation. Guys, so I was looking for a place to get curtains for my home, and I came across Minimalista Decor on Instagram. I loved her works and I started talking to her about getting curtains for my home. So initially I didn't have any choice of color, but one thing I knew for sure was I wanted something minimal. So I trusted her to make her own judgment based on the pictures I sent her. So I only sent her pictures of my dining set, my couch, and pictures of the house. I really don't know what to expect, but I'm really excited. Yes. TV. One of the TV level. One of the TV level. But you want to call the one first camera. Paint me. Nah. Guys, so my curtains is in and we are still installing them. We are not done yet, but I'm already in love with the color scheme. It's really beautiful. This measurement isn't right. Yeah. I was just praying to God that. Yeah, it's true. They have to push. Yeah, it shouldn't be this like this. You get what she's trying to say? So this can come here a bit, right?
It's finished. Then that means it's longer. Should have used a shorter one, or they can cut it. You have the cutting machine.
They can't. They said they can't cut it. Yeah, it's too
Yeah,
too
it's not
much. It's not okay. That's not. So today I have this unwanted visitor here. Say hi.
And my sister, I also have a YouTube channel.
Hey, madam. Since when?
Since today. Since today. So please subscribe. Don't forget. Just click. And after watching, give me a comment. If you like it, I'll start.
Ah. Monday, come and say hi.
Hi.
Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Guys, on a more serious note, I really love the way my home is looking. I love the color schemes of the curtains. It makes the room perfect and finished. Also, I think the color shade was inspired by my dining set. Yeah, I remember I sent her pictures of the dining set. Minimalista Decor did an amazing job. It was fun working with her, and I'm glad I chose her. Guys, what do you think about my curtains? Please comment down below what you think about my curtains. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.